Why do so many traders blow it when they're one trade away from a withdrawal, one trade away from a payout, even one trade away from a challenge? It's not the market, it's not bad luck, it's anticipation. And if you don't understand how this works, it's going to destroy you. Here's what I've noticed. The closer you get to the finish line, the harder it gets to cross. Instead of getting calmer, you start getting reckless. The energy you feel isn't focus, it's chaos dressed up as excitement. Let me give you an example. My dog Maya can be completely knocked out cold, doesn't need to go outside, totally chilling. But the second she hears the leash jingle, it's game over. Pawing at the door, desperate to go outside, she's just lost it completely. Remember, 10 seconds earlier, she didn't care. She didn't have to go outside. She had no business doing anything but just being chill. Except her brain flipped. A signal went off. And that's exactly what happens to traders when they're just about to hit that finish line. You're cool, calm, collected. But as soon as you can see that finish line, as soon as you're about to cross it, you lose it. You don't know who you are anymore. You stop trading the system and you start trading the outcome. Like Maya, you go from neutral to desperate. This is why so many blow it right before that last win. They size up too quickly, they chase setups that aren't there, and they abandon the exact process that got you so close in the first place. Anticipation feels like momentum, but it's really recklessness in disguise. Here's what works for me. 1, zoom out. Am I even gonna care about this trade in 8 hours? The answer every single time is no. Is one trade of the hundreds that you'll probably take this year. It really shouldn't make a big difference. 2, detach from milestones, a withdrawal, payouts, passing challenges. That's just a stepping stone, that's a checkpoint, but that's the effect, those are the consequences. That's not what causes everything to happen the way you want it to. The real scoreboard is, did I execute my system exactly how I planned to? 3, focus on the next step. There's this story of the boy and the horse lost in the woods. Now the boy is freaking out, he's panicking. He's talking to the horse, he's saying, I don't know how we're possibly gonna get out of here. We can't see anything. It's pitch dark out. I can barely just see the next step in front of me. The horse responds to the boy and asks him, so can you see one step in front of you? And the boy says, yes, I can see a step ahead of me, but that's it. So the horse tells the boy, as long as you can see the next step ahead of you, that's all you need. We just keep taking the next step in front of us, and eventually we're gonna get out of these woods. Same thing goes with your trading. Focus on the step in front of you, execute that perfectly, and it just creates a ripple effect in the right direction. 4, expect the urge. That anticipation, when you know you're getting close to the finish line, remember, since now it's preventative. You know there's gonna be this feeling, there's gonna be this desire. It doesn't mean you have to be a slave to it. It doesn't mean you have to just act on it. Don't be impulsive. Now you know it's coming. As soon as you feel it, take a step back and remember, I just need to execute based on my plan, not my feelings. Anticipation, it's gonna trick you into forcing that last mile, taking a shortcut, just breaking the discipline that got you to where you are in the first place. But the real prize isn't just passing once, it's not getting a payout, it's not getting your next withdrawal, it's proving to be disciplined. The real prize is becoming the trader that you can trust. Not just the trader that can pass the challenge, but the one that you trust to get withdrawals, to get payouts. It doesn't have to be every week, but it does happen over time. So when you're nearing that finish line, when that leash jingles, don't sprint, don't chase. Take the next step you already understand the process of. Take the next step that you already decided on. That's how you win the dogfight. If this resonated, I break down these types of psychological traps, trading systems, and so much more in my free trading community. We also do daily live streams. We live trade New York Open, indices, metals, majors, all that good stuff. So if they vibe with you, we'd love to see you on the inside. Until next time, guys.